Hello my YouTube family, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Bootstrap 5 material admin dashboard template in HTML. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say a few things. Please support me and please subscribe my channel. Also, this template will be available in Angular, React.js, Next.js, Vue.js as well. So if you want in these languages, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And also, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services, and also you will get multiple free admin dashboards, e-commerce templates in Bootstrap 5, Laravel, Vue.js, React.js, Next.js, Angular, Python, and so on. All are free of cost. And here we go. So I see the beautiful admin dashboard template. And beautiful toggle sidebar works well. Beautiful advanced search section. You'll like it. Mega menu, country toggle, notification toggle, message toggle, and UI toggle as well. And also dark and light view as well. So here's beautiful content section. See friends, see sales overview charts, bar charts, or visitor chart, beautiful technology section, user campaign section, bandwidth, download counts, new daily, temperature section as well, and so on. See guys, beautiful tabbing as well. You will like it. Friends, like I said, this is in Bootstrap 5, and also it will available in Angular 21, React.js, Next.js, Vue.js as well. So this is it for today, and after it I will come with more demos. And in the end, I must say, please subscribe it, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.